Yeah, good morning guys. Yeah, sorry this video came a bit late because my plan initially was to get this video out on or before Sunday, but well it's not too late. Yeah, if you're yeah, this video I'll be talking mostly on DXY and to those still new to my videos. When I'm talking about DXY, I'm talking about EU, GU, good, and other asset classes. And right now, um, I'm on the 3 months time frame. And if you are to look at the price action, if you are to look at the way market is moving, you would know that okay, um like if you are to look at this vividly, you know that okay, market is trying to like draw the 3 months candle is trying to draw into this our 3 months order block. If you are familiar with your price action, like if you know how order flow works. So the obvious draw of and this is the and apparently this is the third month. This is the third month of the year. And right now, the candlestick we have building up right now is the obvious that's what will make the month complete. So we are in March. So the third month is not yet complete. So um if I'm to look at this and if I'm to like predict how the market is going to like move, I believe so I believe the next action of the market is it to like draw to this monthly OB and narrowing down to the monthly time frame. We can see we had this indecision candle and um we have February candlestick also expanding down till got to this it got to this zone, this monthly breaker. And after market got to this monthly breaker, it expanded up a bit. And though I didn't expect um market to do too much, what I'm really expecting right now is manipulation because I know most of us are familiar with this pattern. If you are the type that if you are the type that if you are the type that knows how market really moves, you know okay, when you are expecting a bearish can if you are expecting like a bearish price action, you don't just expect it to start going down because this that we are having right now is not what I'm really interested in. Like if I'm to like get into this, I would really want market to like at least move up then before we start trading downward. So I believe this is the manipulation I want to see first before market starts um selling down. Though it might not happen like this because there are times that market just open and starts trading down. We have those instances, but I don't think it's going to happen like that this time around because um okay and having this at the back of my mind, I know this my draw, but as well the type of trader I'm the type of trader that okay, I'm very okay getting out around here because I believe zones around here would be like a bit difficult also, and it might store price in the sense that we might like have a very high like market might stall around there or we have like a big pullback, understand? So I would really I would really like to like have this at the back of my mind that okay, once market takes out this low, I'm going to like at least more if I'm in like any if I'm opportune to like get into any position, I'm going to like collapse at least 80% once we get here. But this is my target, the low of the previous monthly this thing for the month. This is like my monthly objective. Though these I'm talking about this as a swing trader because there are types of trader. Okay, at times I might enter a trade targeting monthly low, at times weekly low, and at times daily low. So, but for at least for now, with this my analysis, I'm expecting price to at least manipulate, trade up a bit, and then take out this low because eventually we are still going to like pull back to this before we then know what's really happening. And funniest thing is just that the macro data also is still like backing market being bearish. So let's move down to the weekly time frame. So looking at this, I know some yeah, there are some folks that are like with the way market is moving, they think we are very bullish now on dollar index. And I'm like, if you're it's just the funniest thing is the fact is just that they don't go to their higher time frame because if you are the type that do open your higher time frame, like if you do your analysis on the higher time frame, okay, what are you going to like say about this? Look at this. Look at the pullback. It's just too massive. To me this is like a manipulation. Yeah, they went very hard on the manipulation. Look at because some folks would have given up, like they would be like, okay, okay, it seems this price action is trying to like say otherwise. Apart from, but once you have your invalidation area, you know, okay, you know what you are still doing on the, you know what you are still doing. So this pullback is just because I'm still even expecting at least a bit pullback to this area. I still even if market decides to like even pull back to around here, um it's still what I'm still willing to like sell the dollar index because I believe the trade is still valid. Even if they take out this it's still valid. I know they still like they are still trying to like sort of manipulate market. So they want you to freak out. That's just the fact. Because if you've noticed how the market works, when a big move is approaching, they don't want you to get along with them. So that's just the fact. Once you know that, once you are doing your analysis on the other time frame, you know how the other flow works, and you don't really like fall for how market structure moves. If you are the type that understands your order flow very well, so you won't be tricked by these types of pullback. So we are still so much bearish on dollar index. I even still expect it to like pull back to around here before I can start considering selling. Even though if market decides to start selling immediately around here, we can still like okay validate it that okay we've traded to like weekly OB, and it depends on how the market structure it decides on what the price action is saying. Then before I can decide, okay, I want to start shorting the XY, but at least I want it to trade above here, take out this high, and then I now I will now start like look for a trade. So going down to our daily time frame. So as you can see, why I marked this out. Why I want because I don't really have like an obvious area of interest around here. This is the only area of interest I have. Though this is another area of interest markets, but I don't so much believe markets would want to utilize this. I don't really think markets would want to utilize this. They might also try to, but at least I believe they might just trade into this gap while this take us a little bit up, and then before we start thinking, okay, we have a trade or something like that. But this inverse fair value gap is what I believe they might want to like utilize to take out. this low. So I won't go much more deeper on DXY. So I would like to like move to the next asset, which is Euro USD. So on Euro USD, I don't have much more to say because I've said a lot on DXY. I've said a lot on DXY. So on Euro USD, we can see these are monthly order block. And the funny thing about the market is just that um the funny thing about market is just that it might just be like, okay, on dollar index on the three, we have market trading back, to the this thing, we have market trading back to the monthly OB, while we don't have the same thing happening around there. I believe they might not just get to the monthly OB on Euro USD. They might just decide to utilize the breaker. Yeah, they might just decide to utilize this because this is also like a valid PDRA. Market might want to like utilize. So they might just decide to use this instead of this OB. So even when market gets to this, even around there, there's still a value trade around there. So I believe they might this is what they might want to like utilize to. So let's go to like the monthly time frame. Okay, going to the monthly time frame, you can see, so going to the monthly time frame, you can see it's still even yeah, you can see there's yeah, sorry, let me correct something. So the funniest thing is just that we might just have this as our draw. What's wrong with this mouse? So we can just on Euro USD, we might just have this at the back of our mind that this is just our draw. And even you might just try to like utilize this monthly. You can just try to like utilize this monthly OB, but this also might want to like react to price, but it's not very far from each other. So it's very possible market gets into this monthly fair value gap. So you can see right here also, I still believe we have markets would like try to at least a bit manipulate. This is monthly time frame. You can see it's suggesting bullish price action on the monthly time frame because we had our indecision candlestick, we had an expansion and pullback. So the pullback, I believe I at least expect the market to trade a little bit down to the body of the previous monthly candlestick, and then we expand up to our draw. And we are in a don't forget we are in a key zone around here. This is a fair value gap. So I don't want to have a rough shot. Um that's why I'm not annotating the charts like that. So let's go down to weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we you can see we have inverse fair value gap on the Euro weekly time frame. So we have this. It's very obvious the market because even I have these insights around last week, but unfortunately we didn't get here. And when I saw how market was behaving, I was very much like, okay, market is trying to like market is ready to expand. Then I didn't really shift my focus to this, though I took a little bit loss around last week. That was around that Thursday, Friday, I guess, because I was I was very sure of markets um starting to go bullish, but eventually it took me out. Though it's a little bit off. loss. Right now, what I'm really expecting is I want market to like shift a little bit down to this in form of manipulation. So we have this as our low, the low that will be taken out. This is the low that will be taken out. Once we take out this low, then we that's a manipulation, and then we start looking at the way price action behaves, most especially on the 4 hours time frame. And also um one of the first thing that is very important, because is one of the lesson I learned last week. It's very okay to like see the way your daily time frame behaves first before you get along with a trend. Like let's say your daily time frame is already suggesting, okay, reversal is very possible. Like you can spot your doji around this your key zone, your key level, and you can see your doji like okay, it's suggesting reversal. So it's suggesting that okay, market is ready to like move, then you can get along with the trend. But because doing otherwise, apart from that, at times can be dangerous. Yeah, that was one of the mistake I made around last week because it's part of my model, but I ignored that. I didn't even know how I missed the detail. But well, we have another week at our hand. So you know what I'm trying to like say right now. These are I expect the market to trade for the week or so, trade down, and then we expand. So I don't really have much to say also on EU. I don't really I don't trade GU at all. It's not one of the pair I love at all. I don't really like the pair. So let's go down to gold. This is also one of the pair I really love so much. So on gold, you can see I don't think I even I don't think there's so much detail like that on the 3 months this thing, or even the monthly. So as you can see right here also, we can see the market is trying to like expand because I have my target around 3,000 ish. So I believe good would at least take out this previous monthly candle stick, this monthly candle high, and then reverse around though I'm not very sure it's gonna like reverse around 3K, but at least I want it to like get to 3K. So though once we take out this high, I'm out, but I might just hold a little portion till we get to this 3K, and if again it still try to like move up a bit, so I'm going to like ride along. But I believe markets would take out this previous monthly high very soon. So going down to the weekly time frame, we are in yeah I believe most s- folks would some folks that don't really like know how trend works, or like yeah, most folks don't really know how trend, they don't know what is order flow, they don't even know how the market works. They would see this as an opportunity to short good, which is which is not really advisable, because I believe if the only way this um the only way this order block would work is if market trade a bit up and utilize this to push market down to then take out this low. Then once we take out this low, we might like that's our manipulation. Then after the manipulation, even it might not even you can even say okay, market have already you can okay, you can even say okay, market is even ready to like trade down to take out this low, because um I believe markets would want to like utilize the end of this, because this is the main point already. Market might just want to like trade. I believe markets would want to take out this low and utilize this the end of this fair value gap, the close of this fair value gap as resistance, as or is it support to take price up to our target. So it's still very much possible for market to take out this low. So I'm even anticipating that, and even if market decides not to take the low, and if I see how price action is out, then try to ride along with what the trend is saying. But right now, I don't really think this this weekly order block would work, because this is also a key zone supporting my trend, because right now I can't really say okay there is really a strong I can't really say okay the trend is saying otherwise, because we are still so much bullish on gold. So that's still what the general bias is telling us. So I'm going to like ride along with that. So just expecting manipulation or price action around this zone, and then I'll utilize it to like take out this high. So um that's my weekly outlook for the week. So wishing you guys good life and good trading. Bye.